Ring that bell, ring that bell. We are live. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. I gotta go ahead and uh, install Steam again. Alright, gotta clean up some space real quick, do some maintenance. Check my downloads out real quick. Mm. Alright. Did some maintenance, got that trash going. Let's see what Steam has to offer tonight. Might get a little game on for a little bit. Let Steam run up a little bit. There's a lot going on in tech right now. A lot of layoffs, a lot of controversy behind the H1Bs, B visa usage, and the fees. Is it a one-time fee? Is it annual fee? Will it really change the landscape? I have some opinions on it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get back into creating some Raspberry Pi projects and some stuff I'm doing too from a company. I have some appliances that I'll be creating, and like I said, some home labs. That, like I said in the last video, I'll be coming up with for you all. If you want to purchase them, they'll be pre-installed with applications you need to get ready and get it going. Um, so that you can transition smoothly into the tech space. That's the key, right? You want to have a smooth transition and go quickly, especially in these times. There's still a lot of opportunity left, but you have to have the right skill set, right? You have to know automation. You got to know the DevOps infrastructure piece, and you're gonna have to know some coding, some scripting, right? Some basic logic so that you can get the job done, right? And be proficient in the workspace, all right? Um, all right, look at my Steam came up. All right, yeah, buddy. I want y'all looking at all my credentials. You know what I mean? It's been so long, I don't even know my own credentials. Alright, so they're gonna email me my account. We're gonna get this thing going. Get some gaming going. Get some fun going. Some conversations going. I plan on being, like I said, I plan on being live for as many days as possible. Many days as my system allows and YouTube allows. Alright. I'm ready to do this thing. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. But I've worked with some of the H1B visas and I've heard some horror stories from all angles and all sides. Um, it's an interesting topic. And I feel for all parties involved, to be honest. Ooh, can I play that on here? Ooh, I forgot I had it. Oh, I have Brawlhalla. Payday. That's one of my favorite games. Let me see. And they have State of Decay. Let's see if we can do Hitman. Can you play Hitman on here? Oh my goodness. It might be Sleeping Dogs is a good one too. Space required 6.9. Whichever one is less. So it looks like I'm gonna be playing Sleeping Dogs. We are going to want to put this on a different drive. We're gonna have to put it on. Let's add another drive to the. Yeah. On my X31. Yeah. X31. Is it gonna allow it? We're gonna make that the default. Make that the default. Alright, so now we can say install. Bio. So, if you wanna play Steam games, stuff like that, this is the way to do it. You can play on Linux, right? You can play Sleeping Dogs. Ooh, this is gonna be crazy. I might install something else that I don't have any business installing. Enhance or Legacy? I don't want to do Payday 2. I like this. We rob banks with Payday. So Payday is a cool game if you never played it. You get to be a bank robber. You have to get out with your money. A lot of different tasks. It's good fun stuff, right? But while that's downloading in the background, I'm going to get something to eat. Subscribers, not subscriptions. It's time to get monetized, man. Let's get monetized. All right. So that's that. And then I want to bring in some other stuff. Let's see. All right. Let's see what else we have. Gizmodo. Look at this. Hey, bro, Jimmy, come back. There's some sites that likes Gizmodo. Let me see real quick. A little bit of Life Hacker. Do 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 do. Dun, dun, dun. Lifehack is a good site. That's where all the newest, latest, and greatest items are coming out. How are we looking on the downloads? What's up with sleeping dogs? Dun, 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 Oh, it's downloading this. Pause that. And let's do sleeping dogs. Prioritize that. Jeez. Alright. But yeah, if you need like projects and ideas, stuff like that, Lifehacker talks about a lot of different things you can do around the house too. They're very convenient. Alright. Talking about the latest Safari. Um, they have the smart glasses. You can probably cheat on all your tests now. I mean, this is a cheater's paradise these days, right? We have um, um, IoT devices, a lot of Internet of Things. You have Alexa. You have these watches. You have all these skills you can do and different things you can do. You have your earbuds. I mean, this is a cheater's paradise. You can do all the cheating you want to do, right? On all types of exams, you've got it. Um, if you want that. Let's see. Impossible downgrade. Amazon deal of the day. Robo Rock. Another site just for kicks and giggles. I love me some slick deals. .net. If you're ever looking for like different products, different tech gear, this is the spot I like to come to and get different things. See what's really on sale if you're into that type of stuff. They have an NVMe enclosure right here. Front page, $70. Ooh, but yeah, you have all types of stuff out here that you can go ahead and use. Compression arm sleeves, $5. Some work shoes. Um, a 22 terabyte drive. You know, that's something I'm thinking about too. Is the way um, this stuff has changed. I remember it was $100 for a terabyte, uh, and this is a NAS Red Pro hard drive. This is insane. I remember my days when I used to be on the news network. I needed something like that. I would have had everything, but that's a story for a different day. All right, we're gonna give it a second. We're gonna sit. Let Sleeping Dogs continue. It's at 51%. Um, I'm gonna put on a little bit of tunes. Stick around and vibe.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet
right, let's do this thing. Right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right. All right. So the vibes. The vibes. All right, let's see what we got going. We can turn this off. I don't need no more of that. Let's see if I can. All right. What I gotta do to get this on the PC? Let's see. Bluetooth. Let's see. I might have to go use USB-C. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I got a USB-C cable. Boop, 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 boop. Dun, dun, dun. What did I miss? Oh man, I got one USB-C there. Do I got another? Ah, I'm plugged in that one. Alright, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to connect this baby. See if we can search for devices. Let's make my Bluetooth. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do I do parent mode? Come on. Let's see if we can get it going. If not, I gotta use the old Xbox controller I had. Oh, Still trying to sync this control. Stay with me, stay with me. Alright. Come on. Uh, discoverable. Dual sense wireless control. Let's go. Alright, we are connected. It's not bad. We in here. Let's get it going. What happened? I keep canceling. Come on. State of decay. Maybe that'll work. I didn't think you could play this on here. Hold on. Yeah. Let's see if I can play this other game I used to play. It's free. Let's go. Free to play. Let's face it's Friday night. Let's do it. Have a little drink. Do some gaming. Don't want to forget right. Play with some tech stuff. What's game on? I got Apex Legends. Oh my goodness. And one's human. Dota. Alright. What? Hold on. Listen, right? Sorry for the chewing in your ear. Alright, let me see what the let's see what we got here. We got Apex. I need Linux, not Windows. Or Steam Play. Yeah, all these games are window games. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I think I just pulled the goof, guys. Alright. Alright, Counter Strike. Team Fortress. I gotta get that one. Actually, it's free to play, so we're gonna download this. And we're gonna do Counter Strike. Let's go. Alright, Counter Strike. Team Fortress is a classic. Alright, let's go. My library here. I don't think. How can you see the game badge? What system it plays on? Info. I think I need to remove this. This is. I don't think this works. Let me see the store page because it'll show me. 1972, 1979. View page. Aha. All right. What this do you play on? Oh man, this is a Windows game, man, bro. Steam, how you let me download this knowing I'm on Linux and I can't play? Let that be a lesson to you. You can do dumb stuff. How do I delete this? Yeah, uninstall. All right, we almost wrapped up a full hour in the streamathon. Controllers not supported for this? Damn. What about just Team 4 just might have a little bit. What else? What is I'm a Linux community gaming. Hold on, man. I might buy me a game tonight, guy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Alright, I gotta find based on system, bruh. Let's see. Free to play is cool too, but I'll buy a game. Yeah, it's zombie games. I'll buy one of those. I won't be able to sleep, man. All right, let's see what we got going on here. That sounded nasty. All right. Oh no, no Zelda games. Fun fact about me: Anything that looked like Zelda, I'm not in it. Anything that looked like whatever that game was, Final Fantasy, ain't for me either. All right, it's just once human. Oh, let me see what this is about. The title look good. Name sound good. Is it a scheme game or is it for haters? I need the Linux titles. Come on, man. I'm typing Linux. Linux. I need Linux gaming right now. I don't need any of this other stuff. No. Next to war. I need OS, Steam OS, and Linux. Boom. Then I need free or and most popular, right? So let's say user reviews. Dwarf Fortress. No, no. Blender. No, dog. It's a no for me, dog. No, I need first person shooter, right? Or something to that effect. I need something. Let's say relevance. They got Borderlands for Steam? Oh, snap. Borderlands 2? VR Thunder. I don't know what that is. Alright, Tomb Raider. Two sex, spin count divided. I like that. Let's see what they have here. No, oops. Let's do price. Lowest price. Bow. Let's get some free. Yeah, these games might be not it. So let's say Steam OS. Steam OS. Or Steam, whatever. Alright, so if it's on Steam, so Dota wasn't Dota? No, no Zelda, no Zelda. I can't do Zelda. Zelda gives me a headache. I'm like, All right, Battle Steam is free. What else we have? What else we have? Bruh. We gotta forget. Oh, we have Half Life. What? Oh, it's community made mod. Come on, man. We can't be out here like this. All right. Yeah, it looks like I'm down bad right now. All right, so let's go back to our library. Let's see what can be done here. This is a Steam OS game. Yes. Control not supported, so I gotta get with it and use the keyboard. Is State of Decay a Steam OS game? Let's see if it launches. It's a really good zombie game. We got a long cancel button. We might have something. You know my kids in the background, if you hear them. Alright. Oh, this might be legit. I haven't played it in years. Let's go. Oh man. Team Fortress. Why are you taking so long? This is kind of terrible. Okay, it says it's launching, but I'm not seeing nothing. Let me see the store page. I might, it might be another one where I was like, it's just part of my library. Yeah, but is it? Is it? It's not Steam OS. Don't have a Steam OS badge to it. Let's see, state decay. I typed that in. Yep, it's Windows only, guys. This is a dot, a dead dot. I had to play it from there. All right, so this might be something. So we're just sounds like we're waiting on. Well, if Counter Strike is 80%, why is it not the primary download? Let this be the primary download. I'm gonna have to play with the keyboard, and I'm gonna have to just snap into gear. I mean, the guys on Counter Strike, they look like they're pretty good. I'm gonna have to take this L. I'm gonna have to accept it and live with it. It's all right sometimes. But I want somewhere I can come in and 1%. What happened to 80%? Oh, they play Team Fortress. It is. So we're gonna wait on that. In the meantime, let's get into some Docker, man. Let's get into some Docker right now. The containers, and we're gonna let State of Decay spin right here. I have dual monitors for a reason, and then I have a large extra wide for an even better reason. So I can really play the game like the game is meant to be played. Let's get to it, man, because I can't anymore. I've been trying my best, you know what I mean? Keep it lighthearted, keep it fun, but I love the game, right? And believe me, the game loves me, right? So let's go ahead and let's do it. Ah, here they go with the bull. The saying I ain't no route to. All right, let me SSH to this internal system. So we have running. I don't even know. Funny story. I don't even know what my password is. I don't even know if that's the. I don't even know if I think I'm rooted. Root, rooted, root. All right, let's see what we have here. What in the world did I do? Oh my god. What? I don't know what OS do I have on it. I don't even know what operating system I'm running down there. And then I'll know what password I'm actually using. What the hell? I'm just having a bad night. I ain't tried all my passwords. Hold on, let me. Dang. I done set up. Hey, what the hell? Hmm. But anywho, on that server, I do have Hemdale for a landing pad for your your Docker instances, stuff like that. I can go in here to my Plex. Let me make sure I'm not giving up any passwords or locations real quick. Oh my god, stuff could get kind of crazy. But yeah, I like Hemdale. You can come in here. You can go to your dashboard. You can applications list. You can identify what you want on here. You can add stuff, what the application is, the name, and then it'll show up with the picture and everything. Um, so it's pretty neat. Then you have your settings in here for the labels. So this is what I use to manage and look at my containers and stuff like that. I like to know what my password is. I have to try some different stuff here. But yeah, Hemdale's is pretty neat. If you have your own Docker container set up at home, this is one of those things you want to have to help you organize your things in a nice and organized way. Alright, let's see what's going on. I gotta figure this password out because this is ridiculous. I don't even know what I'm running on. Let's see, what is my password? What? I typed in that password. Alright, whatever. So here we go. We're in here. Alright. Alright. So we have our. Oh, we have I have Portainer running too on there. Alright, so I have Portainer running on that same. box, which is another way to manage and look at your um, devices. So, yep, I got that. 9443 is the port that's actually on for Portainer. I think it's still default. Oh, shit. I don't even know. Uh, let's see what the default is. Default for Portainer. Is it admin number or user? User. Oh, let me see. What? All right, let me take a look at that Docker Compose file. See what's going on. Let's see. This is a wrong one. That was a messy cleanup. CD documents. Let me see. I can go into my documents and see what's going on. See, I didn't. I'm gonna have to reset the password because I don't remember doing any of that. This is crazy. I didn't do any of that. That was yeah. This is my file. So right here, Portainer is right here, part of the home lab. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna do Docker stuff. Compose. Portainer. That's what I named it. Oh yeah. All right. Do Docker remove Portainer data. Uh, oh. Uh, I never set it. So let me find out what the instructions are to actually set it up, because I had never set that password. Huh. Hmm. Let's look at. Portainer password on post. Let's see what we do here. Might have to run it initially. Alright, so I'm gonna have to add a password in right here. In the commands section 4. I gotta get rid of that I. Command admin dash password. And we're gonna go this is my password. Come to take me away. Alright. And then we're gonna have to do some better. I don't know why I have just this. I'm actually missing. I need a more descriptive, like Portainer data to slash data. All right. I like that better. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and save that. This is my password. All right. So then we're gonna say Docker compose start Portainer, and we're gonna kick off. What? All right. So we're gonna have to bring everything down. Docker compose down. Undefined volume. Mm-mm. Oh, oops. I forgot to add that to the bottom here. So I have to, right here, Portainer, boom, colon. And leave it just like that. But you have to have it created under the volumes. That is true. So I might just be able to do Docker compose start Portainer. Maybe, hold on. Did I miss something? Did I name it correctly? Oh, ha! Don't say anything. I left the whole data portion out. All right. Hope it's not your first time learning this, because I got you going left, right, up, down, everywhere but go. All right. So now we should have a solid password for Portainer. So if I go to hold on, let me see. I don't want to do that. Let's see, putting too much business out there. All right. So let's see. I want to go same address, but .1.153. Then we want to put a colon on there and do 9443, right? And then we're going to hit them with the home HTTPS colon, and then I'm going to go, and there we go, admin, and then I have to put that password. This is my password. Dang, that didn't even work. And that's my kids fighting right now. Ignore that. So we're actually going to take a look at the Docker logs. Docker logs, Portainer. And now we can see, alright, so 8,000. It's listed on 8,000 as well as this. That's new to me. That's cool though. I don't have that exposed. It must be forwarding to 9443. I didn't look. Alright, cool. What is going on here password wise? We gotta check this out. Touch time, fingerprint. Okay, these are bond addresses of 9,000. I don't even think I provided all those ports. Alright, cool. So let's see what else we have. Dang, my password ain't working, so it must be a conflict of some sort. So I might have to do the reset portion that I didn't want to do. Actually, let's look up which container I'm actually using, which image. Portainer CE. Let me look at the documentation for that. Portainer CE. Let's say I'm using Compose, but let's say Docker Swarm. Maybe that'll have what we need. But I know it's slow. I know that. Goodness. I wonder what that noise is. Somebody just got dunked on. Yeah, it's a thing. I'm just about to bing it. Yeah, so I just went ahead and put it in there. Let's check where our game status is at in Steam. Jeez, did it download ever? Team Fortress, are we good? Let's go. Oh my goodness. Verify you are human. I am human. Oh. Ha 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 ha. So I'm gonna have to run that on the command line. Alright, let's do Docker compose stop portainer. That's cool. So Docker run dashes rm HGBD 2.4 dash alpine. I'm hoping that's right. HT pass WD dash NB large B admin. We say this is my password. This is my last resort. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so now we have this serialized information here. Now I can take that and put it inside the Docker Compose file.
Alert! The control point is being captured.
Alright, should I do offense, defense, or support? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead. He's kind of slow. Spin your minigun. Yeah, my son's trying to tell me the flamethrower? Alright. We're in here. Alright, let's go.
Alert! Our control.
Now my controller don't work? Come on, bro. I can't work with it. I can't deal. Uh-oh, they get gone. Yeah, so I'm streaming right now. I can't even hear nobody. Hey, can y'all hear me? In Funland. Alright, coming up next, Canaveral. Alright, I gotta get my controller to work. Alright. Alright, it is working, so. Hey. Shh. Alright, let's see what my team can do. Let's see what my squad can do. Squad up. Squad up. Hello? For real? You can hear me now? Oh man.
Success. We have secured the enemy intelligence.
got me and everything. Let's go, let's go, let's go, man. Damn. Who?
I'm moving this. Out of my way. Out of my way.
Alright, I'm sticking it up. This is crazy. F key, inspect my weapon. Ain't
You're all right, Doc. Doc!
Man, they got me on that one. That's crazy. Yeah.
The enemy has taken our intelligence. The enemy has lost our intelligence.
Hey, trying to get mine, trying to get some, trying to get there. It's crazy, man. They whooping me though. All right, but I'm in there. I'm in here still. 2-1 blue team, and we're playing the 3. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, I'm gonna go help the team, give us some support. Nobody else on the team act like they know how to play. Let's go. Oh, I need to get an explosive.
Dispenser going up. Spy sapping my dispenser. Dispenser down.
Dang, he destroyed the dispenser. Come on, man.
Teleporter coming around up.
That was good.
Teleporter going up. There it is. I'm moving this.
Our intelligence has returned to our base.
Much obliged, sir.
Damn.
Piece of piss, you bloody fruit shop owners.
All right, they got me up out of there. We gotta get something. We gotta get something going, man. Come on, man. Can't do that. Come on, man. All right, team. Let's go, team. Let's go. All right.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
All right. Sometimes when you take, you just gotta ease up and have some, hobbies and downtime like a game. It's all right. Might be a little stereotype, but it's all good. A little bit of fun. We gotta make it, make it shake. Go a little game in there, a little steam, and then you go back to coding some more. This is how you can code all night long, man. You just gotta switch it up a little bit. And make it fun. If you do that, it's a wrap. Ain't nobody can beat you on that. Alright, let me see what we got. What we got. Alright, I'm coming through. Oh, dang, he took me out. Man, this is crazy. This ain't even right. But yeah, this is the subscribe-a-thon. We're gonna do it big. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, right? Come on in here, enjoy it, sit back, have a good time. I'm gonna introduce you to a lot of new and different things that you probably don't even might not have interest in, but you might see it and you might end up liking it. So I'm gonna expose you to it. Alright, let's get this. Let's go!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Help out in the basement. Nobody else is helping out.
Erecting a dispenser.
There we go.
Spot zapping my teleport. Teleport's out.
Oh. Alright, guys. Let's do it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's my boys. Y'all can handle me. You know what I'm
The enemy intelligence.
Hey, in the chat, what is it saying?
We have taken the enemy intelligence. Victory.
Where? Stop! What's that? Yeah, good Team Fortress run, right? Gaming a little bit. I like to game a little bit on Steam from time to time. Get it in, get it out. We have the PS5, the Xbox. I used to be an avid gamer in my youth when I had more free time. I think that's what actually introduced me to computers and made me like have that build up that the ability to sit still for a long period of time was playing games and strategy games and try to work through and solve the problems. So don't knock the games that actually make you think in a different way, right? Make you think quickly on your feet, make you think about strategy that you normally wouldn't think of in your day-to-day life. Ooh, how can I go this way? Go this way, and you get multiple lives, right? In real life, you don't get multiple lives. You don't get a second chance to come back and make something happen. But in the game, you can say, "Oh, I can try this 100 different ways," and you get used to doing that. That's how it is being in tech. You have to be fine with reiterating and repeating yourself and doing the things over and over again. You have to do that with W.
Competition
Back up.
begins in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get fighting already. We have taken the enemy intelligence. Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence. The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Teleporter going up. There wasn't getting any lighter.
Return to their base.
Some assistance, please.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Stretcher going up.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence. The enemy has... Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Turn out for you, dummy.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
All right. Let's go. I'm back in it. Let's get it.
My sentry.
Let's get it in, huh? We need help.
Alert.
They sitting on our teleport pad. It's crazy. They sitting on it. All right, let's go. Oh wow. Oh, all right. Guys, play that defense. Yeah.
You failed. The enemy has captured our intelligence.
Oh my goodness. All right, we won one, guys. We got to do something. I don't know how you do it. That round one, your best is two. Oh.
Moving out.
All right. This is what we do. This is what we do, man. I gotta keep the game going. Let the game do its thing. All right. All right. Yes, 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 kids. Feel my mic. Okay.
Daddy, where's my phone?
Who?
And he has his tablet.
Stop! You just knocked my thing off. Ah! I can't believe I just. Ah! Not again. Ah! Ah! All right, guys. I had to back out of that one.
Rated out of 10.
Out of from 1 to 10, that game is up there. It's addictive. It might be a 9, to be honest with you. It's pretty addictive. I love the visuals. It was very clear, and it's free, right? Um, I enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed myself. Um, Back to the subscribe-a-thon. Let's talk, man. Let's see who's out there. Come on in. If you getting any impressions, any looks, come on in. Let's talk, right? Um, we can bring up a little bit of different things, right? I don't know if you guys are familiar with how 3D printers work and things like that, or Thingiverse, or Arduino, or anything like that. Or let's talk about my system. I haven't even gone over that yet, right? This is a project I was doing for just LED bulbs. Um, but you use this. This is a sketch for the Arduino. Well, let's talk about my system. I have a Debian system with GNOME um, as the layout. Uh, and basically it comes with different games, 2048, context, weather, clocks, maps, solitaire, the conventional solitaire, a video player, a dictionary. I think I added Audacity to edit the audio files and things like that when I'm doing stuff for YouTube. You have gedit, what's the text editor, document scanner, calculator, the calendar. My Navy Federal is on here. Terminal, screenshots for most desktop viewer. Um, I also have the image creator for Raspberry Pi. Speaking of which, I need to actually create another image so I can do a video on that. But that's some of the applications that I actually use um, to fuel and make my stuff work. Um, and I use GIMP sometimes to make layouts, make thumbnails, and they have built-in extensions, Quake terminal, which is pretty neat. The Google Drive icon, Gparted for the disk. What are you doing? Oh boy, son is just in here all over the place. You only want to be in here because I'm live. So we have Kaden Live, Cody, Kylan Scanner, LibreOffice, LibreOffice Calc, Draw. Oh yeah, I also used to use Teams when I was working remotely. So that's still on here. And OBS Studio is what I use to stream. We have Remina Remote Desktop. Screen recorder, something I use. That's something I add as well. And then Steam, like if you were here not too long ago when I was playing the game, that was on Steam. All right, and then you have the open source slides. And then this is some of the games that I do have that I was able to download via Steam. They had brought in icons, and then I have Zoom for meetings. VLC Media Player, I had to add that. You have Thunderbird for mail. Transmission if you want to do any type of torrents or anything like that. And you have the GNOME tweak tool if you want to go ahead and make tweaks. I used to use this a lot, Virtual Machine Manager, when I was using KVM. I had a KVM server. But that's my setup right now as it is. Just to do a little tour of the system and what I use. Then I have my Visual Studio Code, which I use as well to go as my main text editor, my primary one. I'm actually going to go ahead and update this extension here because I usually like to use a different layout. What am I doing? Extensions icon here. Goodness gracious. Alright, purple. I usually use the purple theme for all of you who are not colorblind or anything like that. So I usually use this. I use the super dark version of it though. I like that. For those of you who are aware or wondering, yes, I am. Member of Omega Psi 5, so yes, this does fit the theme. I do like it. It's actually pretty Neat is a good contrast on the colors and things that I need and I like. So let's say I was trying to create a new project file, new file. We're gonna call it uh, play.js. So we're gonna file save as play.js. All right. Script. We're gonna pick that as the code, and we're just gonna let's do some basics, right? We'll see what I remember. I don't use it all the time. Function. No. All right. Let's see. Let cowboys be uh um QB. Let's see. QB. You say Dak Prescott. Then we can say running back is gonna be. Let's see. I actually gotta look. That's crazy. I know Sanders and the other guy, Javonte Williams. We're gonna do receiver. Even though he's hurt, we're gonna say CD Lamb. If you guys pay attention to sports, and we just make it all fun here. All right. We're gonna say console.log cowboys.qb. All right, so we're gonna say the starting quarterback for the Cowboys. Cowboys is Did I do that right?
No.
It should be something. Is it something? I think that might be right. Um, uh, um, yes, I need a dollar sign. But the syntax highlighting didn't even show up for it, which is really weird. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, so that should be work. Let's run this. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. All right, so we're gonna bring up a terminal. Oh, sorry, open hat. All right, CD to Docker one. All right, we have play.js, so we're gonna say no play.js, and it didn't work. All right, so we have to come back and see why. Um, oh, well, see, backtick, bingo, bow. All right, so now we're gonna run it again, and we don't want Cowboys, we want the Cowboys, which is the accurate team name there. Just like that, and we're gonna save it again. Always save. All right, there we go. The starting quarterback for the Cowboys is Dak Prescott. We're gonna do the same thing, something similar, but we're gonna do two lines this time. Console.log I'm gonna say the starting blank for the Cowboys is Cowboys dot, right? So now we can go in here and say, if we want to talk about the running back, we'll say that. You want to say receiver or wide receiver is, and we want to do RB as the corresponding running back variable, and WR for the wide receiver. All right. So now we should get 3 outputs explaining who the quarterback is, right? The running back is, and the wide receiver. Now, so let's go see about that. Let's Control S. So we're gonna go ahead and run node bow. There we go. The starting quarterback for the Cowboys is Dak Prescott. Starting running back for the Cowboys is Javonte Williams. The starting wide receiver for the Cowboys is CeeDee Lamb. We can do another key value pair or JSON object and say let the NFC East, right?
The NFL East.
NFC East. I think it's lower cam case we use it in JavaScript. I don't use it every day, but it's fine. Yeah, we're gonna do. Yeah, lower cam. Okay, so NFC East equals. All right, it's gonna be made up of 4 teams, right?
Chiefs.
We're gonna have.
Browns.
We're gonna have for the city of Dallas will be the Cowboys.
Chiefs.
For to represent Washington D.C. We're just gonna say Washington.
Yes.
We're gonna see the Commanders, and it's my helper tonight is Jaden. You can hear him in my ear.
Best team, Washington Commanders. Don't talk about any Dallas.
And then we have New York, and they would be 2 teams, but it's the actual Giants are the ones in the division of NFC East. Then we have another team, one more team. All right, so the last two will be the Philadelphia Eagles. Eagles, right? So we should be able to pull something out of there, right? And say, so console.log. We can do console.log. NFC East. And if you're not tracking, this is all NFL teams I'm referencing here, right? And we're going to say, sorry about that. Yes. All right. We're going to have, so for the NFC East, the NFC East team from New York is name. It is All right. We're going to say NFC East dot New York, right? And it's going to return a value. Now, that value isn't going to be New York, it's going to be the NFC East. The NFC East team, I type time, the team from New York is, or is called, or is named, the Giants. Let's run that again. The NFC East team from New York is named, oh, the East. New York's, New York is named. NFC East team from New York is called the Giants. I like that better. All right, cool. The NFC team from New York is called the Giants. There you go. Right? Now, this is something little simple that you could do here. You could do a lot of other things. You can do single word variables. I could say let city equal Miami. Right? And then I could do the same thing. I could do something simple.
Miami.
Um,
Miami.
I don't even think I need that, but it's all good. Console.log city, right? And that should return a string for us. It should be beautiful, and we're gonna see. Yep, it's gonna return Miami just like I expected it to. And there you go. That's something quick and easy you can do if you wanted to go ahead and just start picking up a little bit of scripting with JavaScript, not necessarily development programming. It wouldn't be enough to get you um, doing complex things. You have to understand types and um, types of what type data types there are. Is it string? Is it an int? Um, you have to have understanding of when to use the if statement, a for loop, while loops. But we're gonna take a break now. All right.